Find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 1/3 x plus 5 that passes through the point -2, 3. So let's write that equation out. Y equals 1/3 x plus 5 and passes through the point -2, 3. So when lines are perpendicular, their slopes are negative reciprocals. So in this line we can see the slope is 1/3. It's the number in front of x. So if the slope is 1/3, that means the perpendicular slope, so the perpendicular m or slope, is going to be the negative reciprocal. So we flip that, and since this one's positive, this will be negative. So I'm going to cross that out. I just need the slope from that line. I'm also going to cross out this line up here. It can be tempting to use that plus 5, but we're not going to. The only thing we get from the line is the slope so that we can find the new perpendicular slope. So we're going to use this slope, m equals -3, and we know the line passes through the point -2, 3. So I'm going to do this one where we substitute it into y equals mx plus b and then solve for b. So we have an x, we have a y, we have our slope. So we have 3 equals slope of -3, x is -2 plus b, and we'll solve for b. So we get 3 equals -3 times -2 is 6 plus b. We minus the 6 on each side. So we get -3 equals b. So now we have our b, we have our slope that we found above -3. They happen to be the same this time. And so we can write that in y equals mx plus b form. So y equals a -3x minus 3. And that's our final answer. So again, remember, the only thing you're getting from this line that they give you is the slope. You're not doing anything with that y-intercept. So just cross that line out as soon as you're done so you remember not to use anything else besides the slope.